Cevidra was created in 2007 and it belongs to a family-owned group called Destaing Participation. Today in the group we have more than 30 employees and we are experiencing a strong growth. Cevidra is specialized in rare disease. We have a status of exploitant, importer, wholesaler, and we act as a subsidiary for all the partners and the group we are working with. So we are specialized in named patient medicine that we distribute in the market under compassionate use or early access program, and after that we also distribute this product under marketing authorization after the registration of the product in France.
Cevidra is a pharmaceutical exploitant authorized by the French Health Authority to bring drugs on the French market. Cevidra ranks among the top 5 of the exploitant, ensuring, unlike others, the distribution of pharmaceutical products in the French territories. We have indeed our own logistic platform that guarantee a complete control over the supply chain to prevent stock shortages and, if necessary, to quickly withdraw batches. That independence has enabled us on-time deliveries and avoid us any significant delay due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Our versatile team supports our partners in promotional and advertising activities and also cover the pharmacovigilance and medical information 20 hours a day and 7 days a week to ensure any request from healthcare professionals and patients.
Cevidra's ambition is to remove the obstacles to marketing in France and to offer continuity of pharmaceutical processes. This is why, in 2021, we have extended our competencies to the manufacturing of products with a focus on secondary packaging and batch release activities. Today, Cevidra offers tailor-made services and integrated support to simplify the supply chain. We put the packaging in compliance with local requirements, and we perform batch release in a GMP environment and under the supervision of the pharmaceutical unit.
In few words, Cevidra is a network and team with market access experts at your service.
Our model is simple. You entrust us with your products and we take care of the compliance.
As I said, we're experiencing a strong growth and we see our future today with new partnership with pharmaceutical company from Europe, but also acquisition of product or marketing authorization.